Is it because of, so it is not a failed drug war. It is not a failed, you know.
You know, the drug war is exactly what it is coined as. It was a war. And tuwing merong war, to the victor belong the spoils, di ba? Belongs the spoils, no? Eh, ang victor ngayon, ibang political side. No? So, sila yung magiging tama. No? Would this be different had Sara become president? Absolutely, di ba? Absolutely. So that's what I said about information. Wala namang ngayong totoong facts na eh. You get what I'm trying to say, right? So, for example, si Pangulong Duterte nandun siya. Kapag nandun ka na, we are now looking at his case through the eyes of the ICC, hindi na through the eyes of the sovereign Philippines. So, kung ano man ang sabihin nilang mga legal gymnastics doon, maniniwala na lahat ng oligarchy at mga pundits tsaka mga expert dyan. But ako, I would still maintain na walang jurisdiction ng ICC, and whether the question is not whether the drug war was failed or not, but whether he should be tried here or not.